Here's an example of a laptop memory install. We've removed the service panel and the old memory and are ready to install our new memory. They're installed in matching pairs and stacked one above the other to save space. Observe the notch orientation and we'll install the bottom module first. Slide it in to its slot and press down to engage the retaining clips. The same process for the second module. Press it in, press down, and we're done. We'll replace the service panel, screw it back down, reinstall the battery, and we're ready to go.